Habiba radiallahu ta'ala anha was wife of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and she was daughter of Abu Sufyan radiallahu ta'ala anhu as well. She got married to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam before Abu Sufyan radiallahu ta'ala anhu had accepted Islam. And then she migrated to Makkah Mukarramah, Madinah Munawwarah with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and she did not get to meet Abu Sufyan, who was still an enemy of Islam. And he was, of course, a leader and a very respected personality in the entire Arab Peninsula. If you read the history, you would see Abu Sufyan has been somebody radiallahu anhu who had been going and been. So you can say that he was one of the bureaucrats. He would always go in on the diplomatic missions and do representation of the Arabs and speak in a very profound and so he was a very high class individual. One day he came to Madinah Munawwarah. This is still before he had accepted Islam. So he thought that let me go and meet my daughter. He came to meet Umm Habiba radiallahu anha, and when he entered, bed was laid down and there was place for him to sit. So he went and sat on that. As soon as he sat on it, Umm Habiba said, "Can you please excuse?" And as he moved, she rolled the bed up and said, now it was just the normal chatai that was left. He said, you can continue sitting. So he said, he felt hurt, because that's not how he was used to being treated, especially not by his own daughter. So he said, but when guests comes, you lay down the mattresses, you don't pick them up. She said that Allah has said to us in Quran that kuffar are najas. This is the bed of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I cannot think that you would be sitting on the bed of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When she denied for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.